Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. We got a lot of good news today. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments. Y'all, I knew I was wearing my red lucky shirt for some reason today. We now have a stimulus package and it looks like it's going to get passed. The new stimulus package that the House just introduced late last night is 87 pages long, not 900 pages like last time. It is expected to be passed by the Senate and get Trump's signature without any problems. The House has passed it. We still need the Senate to pass it and Trump to sign off on it. But it looks like it's going to be a no-brainer. It looks like it's going to happen this time. Let's say a prayer today. Okay, now let's see what's in this package. It all looks pretty good to me. We got $10 billion for the SNAP program. $400 million for women, infants, and children. $21 billion for states. This will help homeowners. There's also more money for state and local government, but it don't say how much right now. $179 billion is going for local relief programs. $3.6 billion is going to the elections. I don't understand that one, but okay, I'll give it to them. $208 billion going to schools. Now that's double than what they was wanting in the first place. If you remember, they wanted $105 billion. Now they're asking for $208 billion, and it looks like it's going to pass. $750 million for world food programs. That's going to the United Nations. I didn't think we was part of the United Nations anymore. $2.4 billion for Amtrak. $13.5 for airports. And there's also money in here for airline industry, but I'm not sure of that number yet. $50 billion will be going to rental assistance. Forbearance on student loans until September the 30th, 2021. That's almost a year away. Stimulus checks, $1,200 for all filers, $500 for all dependents, no matter age, no matter how many you have. If they're a dependent, you get an extra $500 for each of them. This money will be going to everyone that got it before, plus the extra dependents. If you got Social Security, if you got SSI, SSDI, railroad retirement, you still will get the stimulus check. Bottom line, if you got it before, you'll get it this time. And even more people will get it. Last time, if you owed back child support, you didn't qualify for it. This time you will get it. Last time, if you owed banks money, they could garnish this payment. They can't do that this time. Your money is safe this time. Y'all, this looks good. It looks like it's going to pass. Finally, some good news. We just have to say a prayer and let God intercede and let Him push it on through. The American people needs this help. They've been dragging their feet long enough. Sorry I didn't get this to y'all earlier this morning, but I just found out about it myself. It was just introduced late last night, so I'm not too far off on it. Y'all, please check out my websites below. Check out my book. Please pick up a couple of books if you want to, and also my self-publishing mastering course is complete. If you want to sign up for that, you can do that there too. The links are in the bottom. I love you all, and I'm so glad to be able to give you some good news for a change. Ciao.